Hey everyone, gwsmallwood, the shaving disciple here. Quick video today. Got a little package to open. Figured I'd give you guys first impression of new razor I just picked up. So what I've got here is the DS Cosmetic Z0 razor. So this is the stainless steel, we'll call it homage to the R41 that the Chinese company DS Cosmetics put out. I picked this up on a buy-sell trade. Initially I wasn't too interested in it. I already have the R41, and then saw a couple people on some forums talking about how this is a bit different of a shaver, and their descriptions of it intrigued me. So when I saw it come up on buy sell trade, I decided to go ahead and pick it up. So it's stainless steel. This handle looks pretty nice. I'm not sure yet whether I'll really prefer it or not. It's maybe a little bit longer than the handles I typically prefer, but it's nice. I don't really see any tooling marks or rough finishes. It seems to be in pretty good shape. So the head is very reminiscent of the R41, the Mula R41. Looking at the two, I'll probably do a comparison video in coming up here, but just first impressions, it looks very, very similar. Now, this is stainless steel, but you can see some marks. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video very well. You can see some rough marks on the inside of that. When everything's buttoned up, all the visible and exposed portions of it are really nice. I don't see any obvious blemishes, tooling marks. These might actually be cast. I don't know for sure. So one of the things I'd heard on the forums is some of them have some play in the top cap. This one, it's hard to say. I'll have to wait and see when I get a blade in it. It moves a little bit, but it does not seem like fat tip bad, where I've had a couple of different fat tip Grand razors that they moved around so much that it was just such a pain to get the blade straight. This one doesn't look that bad. So all in all, I think they retail for around 50 bucks on AliExpress. Not a bad razor at all so far for a $60 stainless steel. Like I said, I'll probably break this out for this weekend shave. My razor bumps are doing a lot better, and so I'll probably be ready for aggressive shave this weekend. So I'll plan on doing this first run this weekend and let you guys know what I think of the shave. So hope you guys are having a good week, and we'll see you this weekend.